So sexy, you really turn me on, blow my mind every time I see your face.
Huh?
Hey my tinies, and welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Tanya and I go by Makeup by Tiny T because I am literally so tiny. On good days I am 4'11", and I'm normally like a 4'10" person, and the only reason why I'm 4'11" is because I wear heels. You know, those are the good days. But anyways, with that being said, my tinies, today's video is actually going to be on this look today. I hope you guys like this look. I actually used this palette. I actually used the Flower Bomb by Midas Cosmetics. I have been so in love with this palette for like a really long time right now, and I have just been digging into these shades right here. I don't know what to say about this palette. It's just amazing. I've just been using this palette a lot recently, and I'm just in love with it. I don't know if that makes sense. So I've just been creating looks with this palette. The recent video that I've used this palette was when I did the little purple look. I don't know if you guys remember, but that's the most recent palette. I mean, if you guys don't have this palette, then I don't know what you guys are doing, because you guys are missing out. Look at this beauty. Look at it. Oh, well, I guess it swatched more onto my finger. Look at that. And look at that. I haven't used the sunset one, but those are most of the glitters except for one. But look at how beautiful that is. This is why I've been digging into this palette. Like, it's got your shimmers, mattes, and your glitters. The best of both worlds. And it's a colorful palette. So, I mean, what better can it get? Alright, my tinies. So, if you guys want to learn how to get this look, then make sure to keep on watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, guys.
Spot. Spot.